Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video. I hope you guys are doing well. In this episode, we will explore BTC price. In last video of BTC, I have explained possible levels. 3 days ago, you can see here BTC key resistance was explained. Since this resistance, you are seeing drop. As expected, price was not able to hold this level 72k level, and afterwards price is dumped around 10%. This is the power of price actions. If you are noticing price actions clearly, you are getting very good result. If you are not noticing price actions, then you are not getting results. That's it. If you are adding indicators and following blindly, then it can become invalid. But if you go through the multiple confirmation, your trade will become more successful, right? We will take a look to the CoinW ARC program, and afterwards the main event page and possible missions to complete, and afterwards we will jump on the next important part of CoinW, which is disaster recovery plan or DRP matters. We will see everything in detail, so this video might be important for you. If you are new on this YouTube channel, you guys can click subscribe button as well as bell icon to stay updated with the cryptocurrencies, trade setups as well as cryptocurrency related events. Alright, here you can see more than 300 videos are already uploaded. Currently we are at 90k subscribers, just 10k away for 100k milestone. If you want to get crypto related updates, trade setups, then you guys can click the subscribe button because it's free. Right, first of all, let's get started with BTC analysis. BTC current price you can see here at exactly again resistance point. This is the interruption for BTC again. If pulls are less or equal to previous one, price can again reject here. Okay, but this time we will not consider this one because last time price was bounced from that point. So basically resistance point will be like this now because levels are getting updated. Okay, and we can remove this point now because this analysis was successful. This was the last prediction. All right, now we might see some movements like this. Now levels are updated. Support is this one and resistance point is this one. Two levels are updated. Better to follow updated levels because these are the expected interruptions for the BTC, right? Price was bounced from this one before the move or during this resistance test. During this resistance point test, price can consolidate in between this area before the next move like this or like this. Two scenarios are possible, or fake liquidity can also generate here to trap buyers and sellers. Whatever can happen, right? To grab liquidity, price can do like this. So always be careful with your SL point, trade position, risk management. This video just for an informational purpose only, not financial advice. So I'm just giving you an idea how you can prepare your trade and how you can manage your trade with risk management. Currently we are seeing this scenario. Updated resistance point is 74k level and support point is 66k level. For now, just forget the previous levels and just focus now these two levels. Let me change color of this level. Okay, these two levels are very much important to follow up in 4-hour time frame. One day chart was also explained in last video of BTC. Alright, exactly price was dropped from here but not able to click the previous support. Length is now getting decreased here. Previously it was like this. Now wicks are generated. Meanwhile, previously candle was closed on that point, but this time just wicks are clicked and price is immediately pumped up. Means from this point to this one, now updated support point is the gray one from 61.3k to 66k level. This is the updated level. So overall terms are bullish right now in daily time frame because support point is strong and price is immediately jumped after creating the low or wick of the candle. It means buyers are already there. That's why price not able to stuck at the point of this support point. If price is stucking at this point, it means buyers are converting to the sellers and price can easily break out of the next support as well. But in this scenario we are seeing a proper movement. This is the proper movement and this can be considered as the proper uptrend in this scenario. So BTC price is successfully flipping to the upside, guys. As I said in 4-hour time frame, which level you need to take care of it, and daily chart is clearly showing that price is going to the upper direction as per this upper trend line. As usual, this is just for an informational purpose only, not financial advice. Okay, so this is the current scenario of BTC. In 4 hours some things are different, in one day some things are different. Alright, now let's switch on CoinW exchange. CoinW link is given in the video's description, event link as well as this tweet link. Alright, you can easily follow up that link and create account. Currently you can see with CoinW there is ARC program. The crypto market has recently seen higher volatility due to global economic uncertainty. Because of this, CoinW has launched a new campaign. You guys can see this article or simply visit this event page. ARC program designed to introduce several promotional activities for users during this period. Let me show you event overview. The CoinW ARC program runs from 6 March to 15 March UTC plus 8 time zone and includes multiple activities such as support airdrop, program newcomer bonuses, and trading reward opportunities. You can see the headlines. When you click on participate now, this is the main event page. One of the highlights of the event is $1 million support airdrop program. This initiative is designed for global crypto users who experienced trading losses during the recent market volatility. How it works, let me explain in simple words. To participate to this event, user need to register on it. Page link and event link is mentioned in the video's description, so you can easily jump on. Click on register now or join now. Once you click on join now, you will be registered here. Submit trading records from 3rd March to 5th March. Complete at least 500 USDT futures trading volume on CoinW during the campaign. If the requirements are met and the application is approved, users may receive a random subsidy bonus between 50 to 500 USDT as per this article information. There can be the total subsidy pool for this activity, 100k USDT available for first 300 registered participants. Newcomer exclusive gift pack. CoinW also introduced a newcomer gift pack with rewards of up to 1500 USDT depending on the task completed. This is not guaranteed. If you don't follow the rules properly, you may get rejected as well. So this is completely based on rules, how you follow, and the trade volume, how you generate, right? Always read terms and conditions before you apply for this event. As usual, this video just for an informational purpose only, not financial advice. Examples include 100 USDT spot bonus after completing a spot trade of at least 20 USDT, 100 USDT futures bonus after completing 300 USDT futures trading volume. There are also invite rewards where existing users may receive additional bonuses if invited users register and complete trading requirement. Next, we can see you may earn by trading. Another interesting part of campaign is the trade to earn gold activity. During the event, users who complete certain spot volume futures trading or other depositors can receive lucky draw chances. Possible rewards may include digital gold tokens such as PAXG or XCUT, super trading bonuses, and even physical gold rewards depending on the draw results. Task refresh daily. Users can receive multiple chances during this event period. Important notes: compile section adds with promotional event. It's important to understand the rules before participating. Here you can explore terms and conditions on this page. This page link is also mentioned in the description. Compliance, for example, rewards may be limited and distributed on a first come basis. KYC verification may be required. Trading bonuses usually have usage conditions and validity periods. Always review the official event page for the details. If you want to explore the ARC program and check the all rules, you can visit the official event page. Next topic: CoinW security and disaster recovery. When geopolitical tension rise, financial markets often become more volatile. Recently, global conflicts and uncertainty have also impacted the crypto market. In situations like these, many users ask important question: is the exchange secure and can it keep operating during difficult conditions? Right? What is disaster recovery plan from the CoinW? This is where something called disaster recovery plan or DRP becomes important. A disaster recovery plan is basically a system that helps an exchange protect user assets, detect potential issues, recover quickly if something goes wrong, and continue operating even during this market stress. Security is more than just preventing hacks. Many people think security only means stopping hackers, but in reality, security also includes protecting assets, controlling access, monitoring suspicious activity, and making sure the platform stays stable, right? So these are the important key points for the safety and security. Asset protection. One important part of security is how user assets are stored. At CoinW, most core assets are kept in cold storage, which means they are stored offline instead of being constantly exposed online. Access to this asset is also separated across multiple approvals instead of relying on just one person or one key. Asset security. Security also includes protecting users' accounts. For example, actions like logins, withdrawals, and API activity are protected with features such as multi-factor authentication, login monitoring, withdrawal whitelist, and alerts for unusual activity. These controls help reduce the risk of unauthorized actions, isn't it? Monitoring and early detection. Another important part of security is early detection. Platform monitor unusual activity patterns so that potential issues can be identified quickly. If something looks unusual, the system can flag the activity, temporarily block actions, or send alerts for review. These all security terms are already already enabled with CoinW. Platform stability, external security audits, team trading, everything is already combined with CoinW. Why this matter? In periods of market uncertainty, users often want reassurance that the platform they use is prepared for different scenarios. A strong disaster recovery plan helps ensure the system remains stable and risks are managed properly, right? If you want to learn more about CoinW's latest activities, you can follow up the last explained event, which is ARC program campaign. As always, this video is for information and educational purpose only, and viewers should always do their own research before using any platform. Alright, I hope this video was helpful for you. I hope you have learned something new in this episode. Hopefully we will see in the next video. That's it for today. Bye.